In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if the recipient has read your email in Gmail. We all know how essential it is to ensure our emails have been read, whether for work or personal reasons. So let's explore a straightforward way to achieve this using a mail tracking tool. First, open your preferred web browser and type email tracker for Gmail into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of options, but for today's demonstration we're going to focus on a popular choice called MailTrack. You'll find it in the search results, so go ahead and click on Email Tracker by MailTrack. This tool is widely used and offers a free version that's easy to set up. Once you're on the MailTrack page, you'll see an option to add it to your browser. Look for the Add to Browser button, click it and follow the prompt by clicking Add Extension. This will begin the installation process, which usually only takes a few moments. Adding this extension integrates the tracking service with your Gmail, allowing you to track the status of your sent emails. After installing the extension, you'll need to connect MailTrack to your Google account. A new tab should open automatically, displaying the option to connect with Google. Click on it and follow the instructions to grant MailTrack the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is a secure process that simply allows the extension to interact with your Gmail account. Once the connection is established, you'll be prompted to sign up for a free account with MailTrack. Look for the Sign Up Free button and click it. You may need to confirm a few details, but overall the sign up is quick and hassle-free. Now that MailTrack is set up with your Gmail, navigate to your Gmail account if it's not already open. Upon logging in, access the Sent folder on the left-hand side. This folder contains all the emails you have sent out. Here's the nifty part. Beside each email, you'll notice a checkmark icon. This is MailTrack's way of indicating the email's status. A single checkmark means your email has been sent but not yet opened, while a double checkmark signifies that the email has been opened by your recipient. This visual clue allows you to see at a glance whether your message has been read. And that's all there is to it. With MailTrack, you now have the power to confirm when your emails are read, providing you with the reassurance and confirmation you need. I hope you find this technique helpful in managing your communications, and as always, feel free to explore other features of MailTrack to enhance your email efficiency further. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.